The best affordable vintage car. Number 1. Chrysler Royal, 1939. History of creation. The Chrysler Royal, introduced in 1939, was a notable addition to Chrysler's lineup, showcasing the brand's commitment to style, performance, and technological innovation during the pre-war era. This car had three main advantages. The first, streamlined design. The 1939 Chrysler Royal boasted a streamlined and aerodynamic design, characterized by smooth contours, integrated headlights, and a distinctive front grille, contributing to its visual appeal. The second, innovative engineering. Chrysler was known for incorporating innovative engineering features, and the Royal was no exception. It offered advanced suspension systems and improved handling for a comfortable driving experience. The third, affordable luxury. Positioned as a mid-range model, the Chrysler Royal aimed to provide a taste of luxury at a more affordable price point, making it an attractive option for a broader market. Interesting facts about the automobile. Fluid drive transmission. The 1939 Chrysler Royal featured fluid drive, an innovative transmission system that allowed for smoother gear shifting, enhancing overall driving comfort. Variety of body styles. The Royal was available in various body styles, including sedans, coupes, and convertibles, catering to diverse consumer preferences. Pre-war rarity. Production of civilian vehicles was affected by World War II shortly after the 1939 model year, making pre-war models like the Chrysler Royal relatively rare. As of now, a Chrysler Royal 1939 in good condition can have an estimated value of around $3,500. However, the actual market value can vary based on factors such as the car's condition, historical significance, and collectors' demand. Enthusiasts often appreciate the 1939 Chrysler Royal for its elegant design and the technological advancements it introduced during its time. Number 2. Jaguar XJ, 1978. History of creation. The Jaguar XJ of 1978 is a distinguished luxury sedan that represents the epitome of British automotive craftsmanship. Its creation history, advantages, and unique features contribute to its status as a classic. This car had three main advantages. The first, elegant design. The Jaguar XJ of 1978 boasts a timeless and elegant design, characterized by its sleek lines, prominent grille, and signature oval headlights. The attention to detail in both exterior and interior design reflects Jaguar's commitment to luxury. The second, luxurious interior. The interior of the XJ is adorned with high-quality materials such as the leather and wood veneer, providing a luxurious and comfortable environment for passengers. The third, smooth performance. Known for its smooth and refined performance, the XJ features a sophisticated suspension system, making it a comfortable cruiser on both city streets and highways. Interesting facts about the automobile. Innovation in design. The XJ series introduced notable innovations, including the use of unitary construction, which enhanced structural rigidity and contributed to a smoother ride. Heritage and legacy. The XJ series carries on the legacy of Jaguar's prestigious saloon cars, and its enduring design elements have influenced subsequent Jaguar models. V12 engine option. The 1978 XJ was available with a powerful V12 engine option, further emphasizing its performance capabilities. While the indicated value of $1,000 might suggest a low entry point, it's crucial to note that the actual market value of a Jaguar XJ 1978 can vary significantly based on its condition. A car priced at $1,000 may require extensive restoration or have issues that need attention. Fully restored or well-maintained examples can command higher prices in the classic car market. Potential buyers should carefully assess factors such as the car's mechanical condition, body integrity, and completeness before considering a purchase. Restoration costs should also be taken into account when determining the overall investment. Number 3. Lincoln Continental, 1942. History of creation. The Lincoln Continental, introduced in 1942, holds a special place in automotive history as a luxury car that combined elegance and performance during a challenging time due to World War II. This car has three main advantages. The first, distinctive design. The 1942 Lincoln Continental featured a unique and recognizable design. Its long, flowing lines and distinctive front grille set it apart from other luxury cars of its era. The second, luxurious interior. The interior of the Lincoln Continental was known for its high-quality materials, comfortable seating, and advanced features, providing an unparalleled driving experience. The third, V12 engine performance. The 1942 Continental was equipped with a powerful V12 engine, delivering smooth and efficient performance on the road. Interesting facts about the automobile. Due to the impact of World War II, production of the 1942 Lincoln Continental was limited, making it a rare and sought-after collector's item. The design of the Continental was so iconic that it influenced future luxury car models. The 1942 Continental was the last model produced before the automotive industry shifted its focus to wartime production. As of today, a Lincoln Continental 1942 in good condition can have an estimated value of around $2,000. However, the actual price may vary based on factors such as the car's rarity, historical significance, and overall condition. Collectors often appreciate the 1942 Lincoln Continental for its unique place in automotive history and its contribution to luxury car design. Number 4. Lincoln Premier, 1957. Creation history. The Lincoln Premier 1957 is a classic luxury car produced by the Lincoln division of Ford Motor Company. It was part of the Lincoln Premier series, which represented the brand's top-of-the-line offerings. The 1957 model year marked the third generation of the Lincoln Premier. This car had three main advantages. The first, distinctive styling. The 1957 Lincoln Premier was renowned for its distinctive styling, featuring elaborate chrome detailing, sweeping lines, and iconic tail fins. The design reflected the flamboyance and exuberance of the late 1950s. The second, luxurious interior. As a premium luxury car, the Lincoln Premier boasted a lavish interior with high-quality materials, spacious seating, and a host of comfort features. The attention to detail in the interior design contributed to its luxurious appeal. The third, powerful V8 engine. The car was equipped with a powerful V8 engine, providing ample horsepower and a smooth driving experience. The V8 engines of the Lincoln Premier was known for their performance and reliability. Interesting facts about the automobile. Continental kit option. The 1957 Lincoln Premier offered a Continental kit option, a rear-mounted spare tire that became a popular accessory during the era. This not only served a functional purpose, but also added to the car's aesthetic. Convertible model. In addition to sedans and coupes, the Lincoln Premier was available as a convertible, further enhancing its appeal to those seeking open-top luxury motoring. Limited production. While the Lincoln Premier was a flagship model, its production numbers were relatively limited, adding to its exclusivity. As of now, the 1957 Lincoln Premier has an estimated value of $4,950. The actual value can vary based on factors such as the car's condition, originality, and the extent of any restoration work. The 1957 Lincoln Premier remains a highly sought-after classic car, particularly among collectors and enthusiasts of mid-century automotive design. Restored models, when well-maintained, are often showcased at vintage car events and concourse the elegance, highlighting the timeless elegance of the Lincoln Premier. Number 5. Buick Le Sabre, 1960. Creation history. The Buick Le Sabre 1960 is a classic American full-size car produced by Buick, a division of General Motors. The Le Sabre was introduced in 1959 and continued through various generations. The 1960 model year represented the second generation of the Le Sabre. This car had three main advantages. The first, stylish design. The 1960 Buick Le Sabre featured a sleek and stylish design, typical of the era's emphasis on chrome accents, distinctive tail fins, and large sweeping body lines. The second, V8 engine power. The Le Sabre was known for its powerful V8 engines, providing ample performance and a smooth driving experience. The engines of the time were often prized for their reliability and durability. The third, spacious interior. As a full-size car, the Le Sabre offered a spacious interior with comfortable seating. The emphasis on passenger comfort was a key feature, making it suitable for long drives. Interesting facts about the automobile. Electra 225 influence. The Buick Le Sabre shared design elements with the more upscale Buick Electra 225. This contributed to the Le Sabre's distinguished appearance and a touch of luxury. Wide range of body styles. The Le Sabre was available in various body styles, including sedans, coupes, convertibles, and estate wagons. This versatility allowed buyers to choose a model that suited their preferences. Continued production. The Le Sabre series continued production for several decades, evolving with changing automotive trends. The 1960 model year is particularly notable for its distinctive styling. As of now, the Buick Le Sabre 1960 has an estimated value of $3,900. The value can vary based on factors such as the car's condition, originality. If you want more affordable vintage cars, subscribe.